What happens when your car battery dies? Most people panic. They assume the battery is finished and rush out to buy a new one. But what if I told you? In many cases, you don't actually need a new battery at all. There's a method that's been used by mechanics for years, a method that can bring a dead battery back to life. It doesn't always work, but when done correctly, it can save you a lot of money. Now, before we go further, let's be clear about one thing. This process involves chemicals, electricity, and some risk. So if you're going to try it, you must follow every step carefully. Done right, it can revive a weak or dead battery. Done wrong, it can damage the battery, or worse, hurt you. Let's go step by step. Number 1. Clean terminals regularly. One of the most common reasons a car battery underperforms is corrosion on the terminals. You'll often notice a white, green, or bluish powder forming around the metal connections. This buildup blocks the flow of electricity, which means your battery might seem weak even when it still has power. Cleaning the terminals regularly can instantly improve performance and prevent bigger issues. You can use a simple mixture of baking soda and water along with a brush to gently remove the corrosion. After cleaning, dry the area and apply a light protective layer, like petroleum jelly or a corrosion spray. This prevents moisture from causing buildup again. It's a small maintenance step that takes just a few minutes but can extend your battery life significantly and ensure reliable starts every time you turn the key. Number 2. Don't leave electronics on. Leaving your car's electronics on while the engine is off is one of the fastest ways to drain your battery. Headlights, interior lights, infotainment systems, and even phone chargers continue to draw power when the engine isn't running. Many people underestimate how quickly this can weaken a battery, especially overnight. Modern cars have more electronics than ever, which increases the risk. Even something small like a cabin light left on can completely drain the battery by morning. To avoid this, always double-check that everything is turned off before leaving your car. Some newer vehicles have automatic shut-off features, but you shouldn't rely on them entirely. Building this simple habit can save you from unexpected dead battery situations and reduce long-term wear on your battery. Number 3. Drive your car regularly. Car batteries naturally lose charge over time, especially when the vehicle isn't being used. If your car sits idle for days or weeks, the battery slowly drains, even without active use. Modern vehicles still consume small amounts of power for systems like security and onboard computers. To keep your battery healthy, it's important to drive your car regularly. Ideally, take it out for at least 15 to 20 minutes every few days. This allows the alternator to recharge the battery properly. If you leave your car unused for too long, the battery may become too weak to start the engine. Regular driving keeps the battery active, maintains proper charge levels, and prevents long-term damage caused by deep discharge. It's one of the easiest and most effective ways to extend battery life. Number 4. Avoid only short trips. Short trips may seem harmless, but they can slowly damage your battery over time. Every time you start your car, the battery uses a significant amount of power. If your drive is only a few minutes long, the alternator doesn't have enough time to fully recharge the battery. This creates a cycle where the battery keeps losing more charge than it gains. Over time, this weakens the battery and reduces its lifespan. If your daily routine involves short trips, try to occasionally take longer drives to allow the battery to recharge completely. Even a 20 to 30-minute drive can make a big difference. Balancing short trips with longer drives helps maintain a healthy charge level and prevents unnecessary strain on your battery. Number 5. Check battery voltage regularly. Monitoring your battery voltage is one of the smartest ways to avoid sudden failures. With a simple multimeter or battery tester, you can quickly check its condition. A healthy battery typically reads around 12.6 volts when the engine is off. If it drops to around 12.2 or lower, it's a sign that the battery is weakening. Regular checks help you catch problems early before they become serious. Instead of being stranded with a dead battery, you can recharge or replace it in time. This simple habit gives you better control over your car's reliability. It only takes a few minutes but can save you from unexpected breakdowns and costly emergencies. Number 6. Secure the battery properly. A loose battery can cause more damage than most people realize. While driving, vibrations from the road can shake the battery if it's not properly secured. This movement can damage the internal plates, leading to reduced performance and a shorter lifespan. In some cases, it can even cause internal short circuits. Always make sure your battery is tightly fastened in its tray using the proper clamps or brackets. It should not move or wobble when you touch it. Securing your battery properly not only improves durability, but also ensures consistent electrical connections. It's a simple check that can prevent long-term damage and keep your battery functioning efficiently. Number 7. Protect battery from heat. Extreme heat is one of the biggest enemies of car batteries. High temperatures can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, which reduces its ability to hold a charge. Heat also speeds up chemical reactions inside the battery, leading to faster wear and shorter lifespan. If you live in a hot climate, this becomes even more important. Try to park your car in shaded areas or covered parking whenever possible. Using a heat shield or insulation can also help in extreme conditions. Protecting your battery from excessive heat can significantly extend its life and maintain better performance over time. Number 8. Turn off accessories before engine off. Many drivers turn off their engine while the air conditioning, lights, or music system are still running. This puts extra strain on the battery when you start the car again. When the engine is restarted, the battery has to power all these systems at once, which increases load and wear. To avoid this, make it a habit to turn off all accessories before shutting down the engine. This ensures a smoother restart and reduces stress on the battery. It's a small habit change, but it can improve battery health and extend its lifespan over time. Number 9. Use a charger for weak battery. If your battery is starting to feel weak, don't wait until it completely dies. Using a battery charger can help restore its charge and extend its life. A slow or trickle charger is the best option because it charges the battery gently without causing heat damage. Fast charging may seem convenient, but it can reduce long-term performance. Regular charging keeps the battery in good condition and prevents deep discharge, which can permanently damage it. Investing in a good charger can save you from frequent replacements and unexpected breakdowns. Number 10. Replace battery before it dies completely. Even with proper care, car batteries don't last forever. Most batteries have a lifespan of around 2 to 4 years, depending on usage and conditions. Waiting until the battery completely dies can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. Instead, watch for warning signs like slow engine starts, dim lights, or electrical issues. These are early signals that your battery is nearing the end of its life. Replacing it before total failure ensures reliability and peace of mind. It may seem like an extra expense, but it's better than dealing with emergencies or being stuck somewhere inconvenient. This method doesn't work for every battery. If the internal plates are severely damaged, no cleaning or charging will fix it. But in many cases, batteries fail due to corrosion, buildup, or low electrolyte performance, not because they're completely dead. With the right process, you can restore them, extend their life, and save a significant amount of money. Just remember, this isn't a shortcut. It's a careful process that requires attention and safety. And once you've done it, you'll realize something most drivers don't. Not every dead battery is actually dead.